Hello dear students, happy to have you all. Today we'll learn about how to plot a given equation on a graph. As you all know about a Cartesian plane, that is a plane which is defined by two perpendicular lines, the x-axis which is horizontal and the y-axis which is vertical. Using these axes, we can describe any point in a plane using ordered pair of numbers. Now when we talk about a point, we know that it is depicted first by x coordinate and then by y coordinate. On a Cartesian plane, we have four quadrants. The first quadrant is the one where both x and y are positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative but y is positive. In the third quadrant, both x and y both are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x is positive but y is negative. Remember, x-axis is like a road where we can travel by car in left or right directions. But aeroplane cannot fly here. So its equation is y equals to 0. Also remember that y-axis is like a sky or a building where you can go up and down, but the car cannot move here. So its equation is x equals to 0. You always remember that your home is the origin whose points are 0, 0. Now suppose you are given an equation 3x plus 4y is equals to 12 and you have to plot it on graph. So for that, what we do is we take a point where y coordinate is 0. So for that, what we do is we'll put a finger on the term containing y. Now we are left with 3x is equals to 12, where x is equal to 12 upon 3, which is 4. As we took y coordinates as 0, we got x coordinate as 4. So we get a point 4, 0. Now when we plot x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0, which means car has travelled 4 units and aeroplane has travelled 0 units. We get a point marked in pink color on x-axis which satisfies the given equation 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. Similarly, this time we take a point which has coordinate as x coordinate as 0. Now this time we keep our finger on the term containing x. Now we are left with 4y is equals to 12. So we see that y is equals to 12 upon 4, which is 3. So we get a point 0, 3. When we plot x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3, we get a point on y-axis. As here, car has moved 0 units and aeroplane has moved 3 units upwards. This point is shown by a blue dot on y-axis which satisfies the given equation. Now, you can join these 2 points shown in pink and blue colors by drawing a line. This line is the graphical representation of the equation 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. Do remember 2 points. The first, you have to write this equation over the line which is drawn on the graph. And second point, always make a table showing x and y coordinates. These are the things where students lose their marks in the exams. Hope you understood the plotting of the given equation on a graph paper. Thanks for watching and always enjoy learning.